Hey, this is Michael with Michael James Remodeling. We have just finished a kitchen remodel. This was a pretty intensive remodel, and in doing so, we completely demoed the washer and dryer area. That gave us this big open area for this new kitchen and this new bar area. In the kitchen, we have all Wolf appliances. We've got a 3-inch quartz countertop. All of our cabinets have been designed to be panel ready, which means the refrigerator has cabinet panels on it, the dishwasher has cabinet panels on it, so that way it all blends and flows within the kitchen and you don't even know the refrigerator or the dishwasher is behind these cabinets. Having the backsplash behind me, we've incorporated the backsplash's trim around the window. So instead of having the traditional casing or the trim that would go around a window, we incorporated the tile bullnose as part of the trim and to really showcase this window and to really make that area pop. In the bar area, we have, again, a cabinet panel ready refrigerator, a panel ready ice maker, easy access to serving their guests, as well as a nice, beautiful antique mirror. I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of this kitchen remodel. Check us out on michaeljamesremodeling.com, and we look forward to seeing you on the next project.